1970 Volkswagen van brake repair job. Oh boy, brake repair job, 1970 Volkswagen van. Loosening the hex bolt. This is the audio commentary. It's holding up my little gizmo here. All right, so what we got here is, come on, stop. Seriously, just there we go. And let's back up this all the way to the beginning. Figure it would just stop. All right, what's going on here is I've got this green item has a whole bunch of these little hex wrenches, I guess you'd call them. They're like screwdriver heads, but they're hex. Like they have quite a number of different sides. I'm guessing 6. And that tool's got a whole bunch of them in metric, so make sure you have one of those. All right. And we're loosening up that sucker. Shouldn't be on there too tight. There we go, it's turning. Finding the right. See that? Let's go back. Come on. All you gotta do is... Look. See how worn that one is? That one gets used much more so than the other. I don't know. There, see the difference? Yikes. Go back just a little. Whatever, you get the point. And it's used for that. It's not super deep. Now, if your little flex head doesn't go in very well, you might have to clean out this little hole there. So get a small flathead screwdriver and scrape away inside there. Maybe a paper clip. Bend a paper clip and get in there. Get some brake cleaner and squirt it in there and get that gunk out of there. And you should be able to get that hex wrench in there. Oh, I know why that looks like that. I also use that on the axles. That's how the axles hold to the wheel. That's why. There's these longer that hold the axles to the wheel. I guess that's the video. That's it.